Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Found the perfect Webflow template but not sure how to make it your own. In this video, I will walk you through how to customize Webflow templates step by step. From editing text and colors to adding your own branding. By the end, you will have a fully personalized site ready to go live. Let's jump in. Start by visiting the Webflow template marketplace. Choose a free or paid templates from here that suits your niche, like portfolio business. You can also search from here, like portfolio. And then choose a template. Click use for free. If it's free one, click clone. This will copy the template to your Webflow dashboard. Make sure the template is responsive and has the CMS or e-commerce features you need. Click the project in your dashboard to open it in Webflow Designer. This is where all the customization happens. Then create site. Now you can customize this template. On the left hand side, you have your page navigator, then assets. On the right side, style settings, interactions. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming. I will break it down for you. Click on any text block or heading. Start typing to replace the content, like my portfolio. In the style panel, change the font style. Select it and go to font tab and select font style from here, like that. You can adjust this text sizes, like here. Like that. Use global classes to update all similar elements at once. Turn agency name into Bright Pixel Studio and update the tagline to your brand message. Click on an image, like that. Upload your custom image or logo, click replace image and upload from your computer. Click plus icon, then search image. Use CSV for logos and compressed JPGs or WebP for photos. Keep image names clean and use alt tags for SEO. Go to the style guide page if your template has one. Update your primary and secondary colors. Change font families. Under the body, all pages tag. These changes apply globally, no need to change each element manually. Click the pages panel to rename or duplicate page. Or for dynamic content like blogs or portfolios, go to CMS collection. Add, edit, or delete enters. The changes reflect automatically wherever that CMS collection is used. Use CMS filters and conditional visibility to show different content on different pages. And that's how you customize a Webflow template from start to finish. With just a bit of editing, you can turn any template into a site that looks totally custom and professional. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Webflow tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.